All right, guys, this is the 67th hard request on the 2018 list. Heart and Soul, as done from the Superman movie. And, you know, they pretty much do it like everyone else does it. So I'm going to put the whole thing on here for you so that, you know, there's not a part one, part two, and all that. I'll just put the whole thing up there so everyone can play it. What I did is I put the melody in red. Okay? So if you're going to play the melody part, A flat, D flat, na-na. And then it starts over, right? So let's learn that part first. So if you're going to play the red part, this is a D flat. This is the key they do it in the movie. Here's middle C, the next C, the next C. D flat's right there. 3 D flats. 1, 2, 3. D flat C, B flat C, D flat E flat, F, 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 E flat, D flat, E flat, F, G flat, A flat, D flat, B flat, A flat, G flat, F, E flat, D flat, C, B flat, A flat, G flat, F, E flat, A flat. Here we go. So, and we've all heard that so many times, it's stuck in our heads, right? You don't need to hear me do it that much. Now the left hand, or not the left hand part, the accompaniment part, secundo. That was the primo part. Here's the secundo. Oh, sorry, that was wrong. E flat minor. Oh my goodness. Been teaching lessons all morning, so my brain's fried a little bit. All right, D flat octave 2 times on the left, and then D flat F A flat. So da 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 da, and it's da 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 da. We don't want to go bum 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 bum. It's da 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 da, like skipping. So bum ba dum bum. That's your D flat chord. Now you have B flat minor, B flat, and then B flat, D flat F, and then E flat minor. Actually, he did a major there to start with. E flat, G flat, B flat. All black keys, and then A flat, then A flat, C, E flat, and then da 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 da. It repeats, and then it repeats again. You just keep doing it, but you gotta not speed up. And you also got to listen to the person playing with you. They're probably going to be younger or less experienced, and they might slow down here and there, and you've got to stay with them. Okay, so you've got to anticipate that and listen to everything going on. So it's supposed to be a duet. So try it. My first time trying this, playing all the parts. I lost my place. All right, not so bad for my first time, just winging it, right? You could even simplify it a little more. And that's kind of showing off, if you really worked on that. And then played octaves in the right hand. I'm going to do that. But you could simplify it and do this. Condense the chord and make it into 1 octave. But that's for you guys for free on YouTube. Put the whole thing on there. But that is my website, webpianoteacher.com, if you want to try out some lessons. I've taught for 12 years online. I've taught for over 30 years total, and I just have a wealth of lessons on my website that many people will enjoy. It's a lifetime of music on there, truly, and I keep adding new lessons almost every day. But I hope you guys enjoy that one. It's a fun tune, fun to play with people and just to have a good time with. Hope you guys enjoy it. Talk to you later.